Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Wildcat Wednesday. I have my new Wildcat Wednesday shirt on. We have these for sale in the office, by the way, if you want one. Hopefully you saw the Wildcat on your way to class. K5ers, I think you all saw them and got a sticker. Middle school, we can get you your stickers soon. We'll bring them by to your classes. We have some cool stickers that match my shirt. Yeah, so if you want a new Wildcat Wednesday shirt, you can order that in the office. If you want to get one of the old Wildcat Wednesday shirts with the fancy colored writing, you can still order that in the office too. Let's get started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You guys can have a seat. I just thought of something. Yesterday, I probably kept talking, didn't even give you time to sit down, so you can go ahead and have a seat, sit nice and still. I want to talk to you a little bit this morning about our school rules. So I have our school rules slideshow from last year, and I'm going to throw it up here on the screen. Here we go. And let's get that nice and big so you can see it. And we have regular school rules that we've had for every year, but I want to talk specifically about one of them. So number one, be respectful. That's a great one. We'll talk more about that one in the future. Number two, follow directions. Super important. By the way, you guys have been doing so good at following directions. Keep up the good work. Number three, be safe all the time. Your masks are also helping you be safe. That's not running in the hallways, walk in the hallways. That's a good way to be safe. Keep hands, your feet, your objects, your voice to yourself. All of that is so important. Those are also helping us keep our campus safe and germ-free. Here's the one I want to talk about today. Eat and play in designated areas. So I want you to have a little chat with your teachers. Make sure you tell them where you're supposed to eat. Make sure you tell your teachers who you're supposed to play with. What do you do if you're out on the playground and you see another class playing? Can I run up and give my friend a hug? They're in a different class. I want you to talk about all of that with your teacher and with your class today. So this school rule has changed a little bit. Eat and play in designated areas. The areas are kind of different. So have a chat with your class. Where should you be eating? Where should you be playing? Have a great Wildcat Wednesday.